Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through a critical head-to-head comparison between Flux AI and Midjourney to see which image generator wins your creative workflow. If you're a professional designer or digital content creator, picking the wrong platform will completely wreck your efficiency and waste your monthly budget. We begin with Flux AI, an open-weight powerhouse developed by Black Forest Labs that dominates the industry in raw photorealism and surgical prompt adherence. Flux excels dramatically at rendering physically accurate human anatomy, complex spatial layouts, and highly legible text strings within graphics, making it an incredible tool for product mockups and automated API pipelines. Furthermore, its open-source weights mean you can run it locally on private servers for free with zero vendor lock-in. Conversely, Midjourney stands as the undisputed king of stylized, cinematic art direction. Even when given ultra-short, simple natural language prompts, Midjourney automatically injects gorgeous lighting, balanced composition, and a polished editorial aesthetic that looks like it was created by an experienced gallery artist. Midjourney also wins for long-term project consistency thanks to its robust personalization ecosystems and style reference tags. However, Midjourney operates entirely as a closed subscription platform with no native developer API, making large-scale corporate integration highly difficult. Ultimately, if you need literal prompt accuracy, crisp typography, and local processing freedom, deploying Flux AI is the smarter technical choice. But if your brand relies heavily on cinematic mood, dreamy illustrations, and immediate out-of-the-box beauty, Midjourney remains the absolute creative standard. Subscribe the channel for more videos.